YouTube.com, Jamestown, California. Also, you can watch the late night show, Jamestown, North Carolina. We're about a minute from starting the rock and roll show. If you'd like to email me, send me an email at jamestown5, spell out 5 at yahoo.com. We are looking for sponsors for our show, our radio show, for the higher networks. Right now we're doing lower networks and lower sponsors like tax people. But tax people have a lot of cash. So if you're interested in sponsoring my show, I will hook your business up. I am king of radio, king of advertising. I will make you look really, really good on the air. So what we're going to do is we're going to get ready to start our show right now. And we're going to do the KTST-FM disclaimer. We're going to do a Led Zeppelin show, so let's get started right now. Here we go. It's like, come on, everybody. Here we go. Was that Conan O'Brien the other day? Can you name that knucklehead? Here we go.
From coast to coast.
So right now, from coast to coast, from around the world, this is Kaleidoscope, America's #1 and most exciting radio magazine. Stay tuned for more.
Stay tuned for more.
So how you doing out there today, Jamestown, California? Anyway, we're going to go to our next hit.